Sometimes the only downside to the perfect campsite is you can't have an open fire, but no sweat. Here's the solution to easy, no-mess camp cooking, even when open fires aren't allowed. The Adventure Kings camp oven stove is a dead-set camping must-have. This strong spun steel cooking and heating device is fully enclosed and can run on heat beads just as well as wood, meaning it's 100% legal for places like Fraser Island and other national parks that don't allow open fires. And with the large flat top, you've got enough space for 2 pots or pans, so there's plenty of space to cook for your entire crew. Just load it up with heat beads and you can even easily top it up by removing the circular lid as well. And the best part? It's entirely mess-free. No getting ash in your food, no sweating over an open fire, and no smoke in your campsite thanks to the long chimney that extends to the height of 2.4 metres, well above your awning or gazebo. And when you're ready to head home, the whole thing packs away into itself and fits perfectly into the optional Adventure Kings 40-litre duffel bag for easy transport and storage. King's camp oven stoves are an absolute insane bargain, hundreds of dollars cheaper than similar competing enclosed stoves, but they're exclusively available at 4drivesupercentre.com.au, 4Drive Supercentre company stores and authorised dealers nationwide. They're on sale right now, so go and check it out.